Hey beautiful people, today I'm taking you along with me as I dye my natural hair blue black shade right at home. I'm going to be using the L'Oréal Casting Crème Gloss kit in shade 210. This dye claims to last up to 32 shampoos, which is great. So in the kit I get a tube of developer cream, a colorant cream, a nourishing conditioner mask, and also a pair of gloves. I added the colorant cream into the developer cream tube, and once both were combined I closed the bottle tightly and then I shook it well for at least about 30 seconds to make sure the mixture was completely blended. This formula is ammonia free, so it's a bit gentler on the hair, and a big plus if you have sensitive skin or a very sensitive scalp. The instructions recommend applying the dye to damp hair, not soaking wet and not dry. So I grabbed my spray bottle and I misted my curls lightly with water. I then divided my hair into 4 sections. If you have thick or textured hair, this step is a must. It makes the application process much easier and also helps the dye coat every strand evenly. I then put on the gloves provided and got ready to apply the dye. I started applying the dye from the roots, working on my way down to the ends. I focused on one section at a time, massaging the product in with my fingers to make sure every curl was saturated. I really took my time here because even coverage is everything, especially with textured hair. Once all 4 sections were fully coated, I did a quick check in the mirror to make sure I didn't miss any spots, and then I set a timer for 20 minutes to let the color process. After 20 minutes, it was time to rinse. I used lukewarm water and I rinsed my hair until the water ran mostly clear. I then applied my Sheer Moisture Hydrating Shampoo and I washed my hair after. I then applied the nourishing conditioner from the kit, which smells amazing by the way, and I left it on for about 5 minutes before rinsing it again. This conditioner helps to lock in moisture and adds shine after the dyeing process. Once everything was rinsed out and my hair was dried, I could see that my hair looked so much darker. The color was a rich, intense black, and I really loved the outcome. Even though I couldn't see the blue undertones, maybe in the sunlight they would pop up. So overall, I'm really happy with how this dye turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, for more natural hair care, hairstyles and styling content, and tap the bell so you don't miss my next natural hair update. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.